So guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm doing a POV drive of my Honda Civic EP2 at night. So if you don't already know, put my blue lights in, my interior LEDs, just so I can see out, just so the footage has a bit of lighting in. So yes, so she's here. Today I'm going to be trying a different camera angle, not on top of my head. So yeah, that's my EP2 and this is going to be the POV drive, and I shall see you guys once I'm in the car. So I'm in the car now guys, just going to run a quick errand. So I've had to put these blue lights back in just for this video so you can see some of what's going on. There is some light in the video. It's been a while since I've done a POV video as well, so I thought why not. Yeah, just finished football, so I thought I'd quickly film it. Just taking out more to it. That's who's horning. That guy's always, every time I record, he's always there somehow, always horning as well. A lot of you have been saying that you want to see more of the outside and the steering wheel together. So I've decided to go for a different angle this time. Not on top of the head, just on the side. It's mounted on the side. Hopefully it's not too bad, the footage. Do some normal driving for now. Just normal. Some space, I'm just going to overtake. My lights aren't that bright if you can't see outside. We're just on the way to see one of my workmates. He wants his car jump started, so I thought I'd go help him, and then we'll be on our way. So a quick trip to Darwin. Don't know how well this footage is coming out. Outside, as it's really it's starting to get foggy. And hopefully you can hear me as well whilst I'm speaking. But at night there's not much really going on. There's some coppers there. There's not much really going on. I've been told there's a car meet local, so I might pop down to there if I get some time and make a video for that. I'll have to find out whereabouts it is. So I'm just off to my mate's house. I won't show you exactly where he lives, I'll cut you off somewhere when I'm near his. But yeah, so right now people are driving. It's not too late, it's just about to hit 10 o'clock. You know what, near his house there's a countryside road which I can take you on if it's not already closed off. This is the Darwin Centre. The guy I'm going to see, I've been trying to get his car on the channel, but he won't come on. I don't know, he's camera shy and he just doesn't want to show his car. But I'll get him to do it when his car's built. Not going to reveal what he's got because he might not want me to say it. If you want to see more POV videos, drop a comment below and let me know where you want me to do it and how you want me to do it. So like night time, daylight, countryside roads, motorway, local roads. So I've done it in Leeds and I've done it countryside roads on my way back from Leeds, and now obviously night time. So I could do it one of my journeys or two on the motorway. That'd be a good one. Look at that building, how stunning that is. There's nothing special in Darwin, literally, it's like Blabbin, there's nothing there. I should have done this on a Friday or a Saturday. Everyone's about. There's people everywhere partying, on their way out for clubbing and stuff. It's alright. Nice M5 behind us. So what I'm going to do, I'm almost at my mate's house, so I'm going to cut the camera and I'll see you guys once I'm about to go. So we've done his jump start. His battery's gone flat, so he needs a new battery. So I've left the jump leads with him and now I'm on my way home now. I'll see the countryside roads. so peaceful, and then you get me driving through with my loud exhaust. I won't rev it because it's past 10 o'clock like that. And I wouldn't want it outside my house as well. A lot of these that will be going to sleep, as some of them may be retired, and I wouldn't want it on me where I'm at home trying to sleep and some loud car revving outside. Driving I don't mind, but it's just the revving. Fuel's dropping, so I might go fuel up. Look how peaceful it is. Side roads will be pitch black, so we can't see nothing. So I hope the footage comes out decent. Familiar with this road, so cars are spinning out for some reason. It's alright, it's alright. So yeah, that's pitch black. On the best either. This was bad, but I didn't think it was this bad. Tunnel. On the bridge. Guys, so I'm almost home. I'm gonna cut it off here. Make sure you subscribe, guys, and I shall see you guys. Like the video first, actually, guys, and I shall see you guys in the next one.
And every day is a lesson. In the now, like this ain't depression. And shaitan in my ear, like grab that, you can't lie, yeah, it's tempting. And heart of a soldier, what? Think I'm phased by riding.